Hi, this is Joraine Costales with the Costales Team at Ontario Real Estate. I'm here today to tell you about my newest listing, 645 Pegasus Lane in Foster City. This bright and spacious 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom home features 1,320 square feet of living space, decorator paint colors, Pergo floors, double-paned windows, recessed lighting, and spacious bedrooms with broad closets and storage space. The expansive living room has a gas fireplace and sliding glass door leading to the back patio, perfect for entertaining. Adding to the appeal of this home is the washer and dryer, 2-car garage with extra storage space, clubhouse, swimming pool, and an enjoyable Foster City location with excellent schools and close proximity to parks, the Lagoon, shops, restaurants, Silicon Valley, SFO, and so much more. So that concludes the tour of my newest listing. If you'd like a private showing of this home or any home on the MLS, please feel free to contact me. And if you're a seller that's looking to maximize your home value and get the highest price in the shortest amount of time, please feel free to contact me for a no obligation consultation. Thanks so much and make it a great day.